Hey guys, welcome back to this brand new video. And in this video, we're gonna learn about how to use conditionals in a functional component. It's not gonna be different from, using a condition in a function. Same as that. Anyway, so let's read. Let's damn read it. Use a condition in a functionalist component. It's gonna take 10 minutes, but I think it'll take more. How might you use a conditional statement inside a functional component? Select today's plan.js JavaScript file basically to see the way of doing it. Notice that if the statement is located inside the functional component but before the return statement. Not if the statement is located. Note that the if statement is located inside and before the return statement. Okay. Basically this today's plan.js. Why is it open today's plan right here? Today's plan. Close to tonight's plan. Let me just zoom it in for you guys. First of all, the basic importing and exporting is done. And here we have the functional component named today's plan with a function keyword to define a function, today's plan. And we generally do not store a function, like function is declared in the entire coding space. And here we have the block code for our function. And here is we have defined a task, a variable named task. And you can see there is a return statement at the end. Anyway, so we have defined let as a task and we have defined apocalypse as false. Okay, what is apocalypse? I just know this word and I just want to know what is this word for, by the way. Apocalypse, a cosmic catalysm in which God destroys the ruling power of evil. Okay, good. It's a good thing, I guess. If there is no apocalypse by God, then task learn JavaScript. If there is a apocalypse, then run around. By the way, right now apocalypse is set to false, so that's why the task will be set to React. Let's run React, and in the h1 tag, in the return keyword, we have a JS expression, and inside therein we have inserted a JavaScript element inside it in curly braces. And I know it's easy, just like a functional component, no headache. So I don't know what should I do. Select tonight's.plan. Let's close this and like from here go to tonight's plan.js, the default one. It will be opened and it opened up. So import React. I gotta close it. Just if there is an import, so let's write export also, right? Export default. What are you gonna import? React. No, export default 50. This. I guess this is how we do it. Let's just compare it with plan.js. Export default. Let me just compare it with this. Similar, same to same. Anyway, so we are just trying to. Anyway, select this one, and you'll see a variable name 50. Wow, will be equal to true half the time and false half the time. Begin by writing a skeleton of a new function component named tonight's plan. Okay. Okay. Oh, by the way, let's just appreciate the fact like how this variable is like 50/50 is going to use a math.random, and it's like if that math.random is like more than 0.5, so cool. Yeah, anyway, we could have done it in a different way, like multiply it with 100 and would have just set it to 50 like this, 50/50. But okay, we'll not do that. Let's just keep it the way it is. So it's just gonna give us like a 50/50 chance. Like the chances are like random that that thing will turn out to be 50%, or if the thing will turn out to be true or it's gonna turn out to be false. Great use of this exclamation smaller than sign comparison operator. Great use of it. Anyway, so begin by writing the skeleton of the new functional component named tonight's plan. I'm a lazy person, so I'll just copy it and then we'll write function func as I told you. Function 50 and just this and parenthesis and then the curly braces for writing the block of the function. So I think we are good to go. Let's just press and run. The skeleton is ready. Let's go to the part. At the bottom, default export the component. Okay, it's already added. I've added it already. So let's wait if it works. Okay, it's wrong. The functional component name is this, not 50/50. Is this 2 nights plan. So let's run it. Okay, create your first condition. 50/50 is true when 2 night plan should return this element. Okay, just if else statement. If 50/50, if 50/50, if you just leave it like this and not even set it like strictly equal to like true or like true or something, we just leave it like this. Also, this means if it is true or not. If it is true, same, they have the same functionality. Okay, what was the, I just keep forgetting it. Okay, then return this part. Okay, okay, just try running it. It should work. Yeah, it did work. And if 50/50 is false, that is the else condition. It's gonna get involved in the else condition. Use the return keyword. Let's just return. This should basically return this. What are these? I didn't even read. Okay, I'm gonna go out. Woo. I'm going to bed. Woo. Okay, so let's run it. It ran. The last thing, run the code and determine what's today's plan. Every time we'll run it, okay, you might get a different output. Tonight I'm going out, and let me just copy this so that I don't lose it for now. Tonight I'm going to bed, so I'm going out. So every time we're getting a different output. Why not just add some emoji in this? Can we add some emoji? Emoji. Let's just add this emoji. Another lifetime to load? No? Quick? Well, let be quick. Let's just add this emoji from the very tag. Whoa. So it will make a difference. So it didn't. Yeah. So it is getting added. Whoa. And the same time is like sad. So I should add a sad emoji, right? So let me just see. It's not opening only, bro. This one is a good emoji. Okay, this one. I just want to copy this. And we'll just paste it. Okay. Looks cool. Let's run it. Whoa. And then another one is I'm going out, um, going to the bed. Yeah, so it's working. So we finished it. So a few things to keep in mind is like I don't know what should we keep in mind. This was basic stuff. Okay. Can I change the components attribute values using a conditional statements in the render function? Make sense? No, I don't want to just want to move forward. Okay, we'll be learning about event listeners and event handlers component in the next section, the next video. Till then, take care, be safe, and till then, keep learning React. Keep reacting.